In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush affiliate program how to join. We'll walk through the full sign-up process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen and get your affiliate account set up smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the Semrush website. At the top of the homepage, look for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Resources. Hover over or click on Resources, and from the drop-down that appears, select Affiliate Program. This will take you to the affiliate program page. Once it loads, look for the Apply Now button and click it. A new page will open, showing you an overview of the benefits of joining their affiliate program. Take a moment to look it over and then click Sign Up. Next, you'll see Semrush's contract terms. It's important to at least skim through these so you understand what you're agreeing to, including payment terms, promotion rules, and any restrictions. When you're done reviewing, check the box that says you've read and accepted Semrush's offer, then click Continue. Now you'll be asked how you want to sign up. You can register using an email address or through third-party accounts like Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or an existing Impact account. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and then enter the required details to create or connect your account. After that, the page will load a form asking for some basic personal information. Enter your first name and last name. You'll see the email address you used to sign up already filled in. Add your mobile number in the appropriate field. If you'd like to receive partnership news and updates via email from their affiliate platform, you can tick the optional checkbox. When everything looks correct, click Get Started. You'll then be asked to categorize your business. Options include things like social influencer, content or reviews, loyalty or rewards, deals or coupons, email or newsletter, search or comparison, network, technology solution, cross-audience, or monetization. Choose the option that best describes how you operate, then click Continue. The next question is about your promotional methods, which channels you use to promote offers. You can select from website, social, mobile app, podcast, email or newsletter, or offline methods. When you pick one, you may be asked for more details. For example, if you select website, you'll need to provide your website name and your domain, then click Submit. You'll then return to the previous page where you can add additional channels if you use more than one. When you're done, click Continue. After that, you'll see a question about how you found Semrush. Choose all options that apply from the list they provide. Then you'll be asked what motivated you to become a Semrush affiliate. Select the answer that best matches your reason and click Continue. Finally, you'll need to complete your account profile. Choose whether you're signing up as an individual or as a company. Enter a display name, which is how your account may be shown inside the affiliate platform. Select your country or region from the drop-down, then fill in your full mailing address, including city, state or region, and zip or postal code. Choose your time zone so reporting and communication are aligned with where you're located, and then select your preferred currency for payments if that option is available. Before submitting, review everything for accuracy. When you're ready, check the box confirming that you've read and accepted the partner program agreement. Then click Submit. At this point, your application is sent in. You may need to wait for approval depending on their review process, but that's all there is to joining the Semrush affiliate program.